Quality auditing is essential for maintaining efficiency, consistency, and compliance in any organization. But what principles and standards guide auditors in their work? The 7 principles of quality auditing. To ensure audits are objective, effective, and value-driven, auditors follow these 7 key principles. Integrity. Auditors must be honest, professional, and unbiased in their evaluations. Fair presentation. Findings should be reported truthfully without distortion. Due professional care. Auditors must exercise sound judgment and diligence. Confidentiality. Sensitive information must be protected at all times. Independence. Auditors should remain impartial and free from conflicts of interest. Evidence-based approach. Audit conclusions must rely on objective evidence. Risk-based thinking. Audits should focus on areas with the highest potential impact. By following these principles, auditors help organizations improve quality, reduce risk, and drive continuous improvement. Key standards in quality auditing. Auditors work with various international standards that define best practices. Some of the most widely used standards include ISO 9001, the global standard for quality management systems, QMS, used in all industries to ensure consistency and customer satisfaction. ISO 19011, the standard for auditing management systems, providing guidelines for conducting internal and external audits. ISO 17025, essential for laboratories, ensuring the competence of testing and calibration. IATF 16949, the automotive industry standard for quality and process control. AS 9100, the aerospace industry's quality management standard, focusing on safety and reliability. GMP, good manufacturing practices, critical in pharmaceuticals and food production to ensure product safety. ISO 14001, environmental management standard for sustainability and compliance. Understanding these standards helps auditors apply the right requirements for different industries, ensuring organizations maintain high-quality processes and meet regulatory expectations. Why do quality auditing principles and standards matter? By applying these principles and following international standards, auditors help businesses improve efficiency, reduce defects, and maintain regulatory compliance. A well-executed audit isn't just about checking boxes. It's about identifying opportunities for continuous improvement and ensuring that organizations deliver safe, reliable, and high-quality products and services. Now that you understand the foundations of quality auditing, let's explore how to plan and conduct an effective audit in the next lesson.